Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies, and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also to show solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Now, today, solidarity. International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. Behind every headline about terrorism is a name, a face, a family, a story that deserves to be remembered. Today, on the International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism, we honor their voices, their strength, and the hope they left behind. Stay with us. Their stories will move you and their courage will inspire you. On this International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism, we come together to honor the lives lost and the countless people affected by acts of terrorism. Terrorism impacts not just individuals, but entire communities and nations. It leaves behind pain, fear, and a deep sense of loss. However, the resilience and strength of those who survive these traumatic events remind us that hope and healing are possible even in the darkest of times. This day is a tribute to the victims and survivors, as well as to all those who work to rebuild lives, offer support, and ensure that such tragedies do not define the future. The role of remembrance is vital, as it helps us reflect on the need for peace, tolerance, and understanding in our societies. By acknowledging the pain of the victims and their families, we recognize the importance of working together to prevent terrorism and create safer, more peaceful communities. This day reminds us that it is the strength of society, built on compassion and solidarity, that can help heal the wounds left by such violent acts. The testimony of two inspiring individuals. Testimony 1. Fatima, a survivor from a terrorist attack. After the bombing in my city, everything changed. I lost several close friends and the whole community was in shock. But I was lucky. Local organizations and volunteers stepped in to help us. They provided counseling, medical aid, and even financial assistance to help families rebuild their lives. One organization gave me the strength to keep going by offering support when I felt hopeless. It made me realize that even in tragedy, kindness and help can restore a sense of purpose. Now I work with them to support other victims. Just a quick break. Please, if you are learning something, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more celebrations. Subscription is free. After watching, kindly like, comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Testimony 2. James, a survivor of a terrorist attack. Losing my family in the attack left me with a sense of emptiness that words cannot describe. But the support I received from local and international organizations was a lifeline. These organizations not only provided medical care, but also brought hope by helping us rebuild our community. Thanks to them, I'm able to stand strong today and contribute to helping others who are going through similar pain. Thanking the unsung heroes. On this day, we also express our deepest gratitude to the unsung heroes, first responders, healthcare workers, counselors, and volunteers who work tirelessly in the aftermath of terrorist attacks. These individuals dedicate their time and energy to helping victims heal, both physically and emotionally. Whether they are providing immediate medical care, offering psychological support, or helping to rebuild communities, their work is invaluable. To those who have not yet considered how they can help, there is always a place for you to make a difference. Whether it's volunteering with organizations that support victims of terrorism, donating to causes that provide aid, or simply raising awareness about the impact of terrorism, every action counts. By getting involved, you can be part of the solution, helping to rebuild lives and communities affected by violence. Observing International Day of Remembrance and Tribute to the Victims of Terrorism. As we observe today, Let's remember that the strength of humanity lies in our ability to support one another through the toughest of times. This day serves as a reminder that we are all connected, and through compassion and solidarity, we can rebuild and heal. Let's raise our glasses to celebrate the unsung heroes who support victims, defend rights, and bridge divides. I hope you gain some valuable insight from today's solidarity. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring content. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbatera. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, 2nd August. International Day of commemorating the victims of acts of violence based on religion or belief. 23rd August at International Day for the remembrance of the slave trade and its abolition. 27th of August, World Lake Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.